By far one of the best high protein desserts that you can eat every single day. 87 calories and 12 grams of protein per serving. No skills required. Delicious coconut ice cream. So what do we need to accomplish that? 3 cups of non-fat Greek yogurt. Fage is my favorite. About 1 ounce of sugar-free coconut flakes. You can increase it, decrease it, depends on what you like. 1 teaspoon of coconut extract, and a half a cup or more, depending on the level of sweetness you like, a sweetener of your choice. I have here sugar-free syrups like Mrs. Butterworth and coconut skinny syrup mix. Put all the ingredients together and mix it until smooth. Coconut flakes can be added at the very end after you already cooled and turned your ice cream. However, I did add it first, but I do prefer to add all ingredients, additional ingredients, to the end of the process. You can call it a little mistake on my part. I mean, they did still come out right, but if you try to repeat this recipe, try both ways, I guess, and see which one you prefer. And you're gonna need an ice cream maker. This is the one I use. It's a Cuisinart. I will include a link below in description. And this one has just a few components. This is a space for a bowl that I already froze it in my freezer a day ahead. So it's been there for about 24 hours. I put it in a plastic wrap so it doesn't get damaged. Now this is a little plastic part that would help with the turning process. Lock it in and cover it up with the plastic attachment. Now I already plugged it in, and before you start putting the mixture in, turn it on. And once the bowl starts turning, you're going to be adding your yogurt mixture slowly. Turn the yogurt for about 15 minutes. This is an ice cream machine, so the instruction on it will say 30 minutes for turning. And that would be true for heavy whipping cream ice cream, the one with the original high-fat version. But I am using yogurt, and it's a non-fat yogurt, and that will require less time. I did try that with trial and error, and that was an error because it freezes way quicker. If you turn it for too long, it will stick to the wall of the machine and become so frozen you won't be able to take it off. If that ever happens to you though, no worries, just leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so and it will slowly soften. And this is how it looks when it's ready. Take everything out right away or it will continue to freeze. This type of ice cream is the best when eaten right away. But if you have too much or you basically have no one to share right now, you can freeze it in an airtight container. And when you are ready to eat it, take it out of the freezer and leave it in the fridge for 30 minutes or so before scooping it. It needs to be defrosted before it can be eaten once you freeze it. But at this moment, as you can see, it is oh so nice and smooth. There's still some of it that sticks to the bottom, no worries about it at all. You can always adjust the stickiness, that I would say, with the time the mixture stays in the bowl. And this is pretty much one serving. It's a little bit more than a half a cup. I mean, it looks like a cup to me. But you're gonna have 4 to 6 servings from this recipe. I mean, depending how much you eat. Time for a taste test. Yeah, it's really good. It's surprisingly good. It's like, it does taste like ice cream, but ice cream that you can eat every single day. If you want to check another recipe just like this one, I'm gonna include a link right here. It's another ice cream recipe with a different flavor on it. And I really hope you're gonna enjoy it as much as I do. Make sure you leave me a comment below what you think about this type of dessert. And if you ever tried it, how did you like it? And I will see you on the next one.